Math Magic.
Hello and welcome to Fun with Maths, Episode 2, presented by Miles Thompson
And Brian Clifton.
So, in today's episode, we're going to be having even more fun with...
More fun? I didn't think that was possible after the triangles last week.
Well, Miles, if you get to know it, there is further trigonometry involved here. So, more fun to come. Today, we're going to be discussing tangents. So, first, I think we're going to show different parts of the triangle.
Yes, I think that is important.
So we're going to start with the right angle triangle. Okay, so we're going to have the right angle here, and then another angle here. Or we're going to have one like that. So, this is the hypotenuse. This is always the hypotenuse. And the one opposite the right angle. And that is spelled this.
And remember, kids, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the adjacent and the square of the opposite.
As you should have known from last week's lesson. So, you also have the adjacent and the opposite. Miles, would you like to guess which is which?
Oh,
The clue's in the
goody!
name.
A quiz. Well, that's a theta symbol. That means a missing angle. And that's a right angle. So if that's the hypotenuse, the adjacent is next to the theta. So that one's the adjacent, and the opposite, like it says on the tin, is opposite the theta, and so is that one.
Well done.
Thank
Did you guess that? If so, well done. Okay. And there is a formula for this, which I have included on this poster, and that means tangent times missing angle is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. So if we have an example question for you, then we can get this all rolling.
Of course. Give me an example question.
Okay, so I'm going to draw a triangle, a right angle triangle.
Oh, goody! A game about triangles. My favourite.
Okay, so this is a right angle triangle. I'm going to make this inside. This is starting off scale, by the way, just to clarify it's I think this one.
I think
That's not going to be shorter, but that's showing longer. I'm just going to extend this line slightly just to make it a little more accurate. Okay, it's going to be slightly closer. I know it's not actually centimetres. We're going to times that.
let's
Just times it by 3. So the scale is like that. Okay. And this is going to be 32 degrees. And now we need to work out what this is. Our angle is here, and that is 32. And this, as you can see, is adjacent to it. So this must be our adjacent. This is opposite to our. So this is our opposite.
Warning, these calculations may require a
They
calculator.
probably will.
They're smarter than you,
They're almost
faster than you, they work harder than you, they are better than you.
They are far too good.
So, we want to find out the opposite. Now, using the formula up here,
We shall rearrange it. And when you rearrange it, opposite is equal to tangent multiplied by, I'm just making sure some frames that's tangent multiplied by the adjacent. Maybe we'll do rearranging formulae in a different lesson.
yes.
Look forward to that. I'm
Oh,
so
goody.
excited.
We can do more about formulae triangles. More triangles.
So to start me how you're doing GCSE science.
Now, with your calculator, we're cool kids, so we use Casio calculators. So, when you get your calculator out, you want to turn it on. After that, you want to use the tan button. If you turn your calculator on,
by pressing the on button.
of course. Then on a Casio, what you want to do is find the tan button, which is 6 buttons across and 1 button down. Remember that. Of course, you could just look through all the buttons until you find tan. You want to press the tan
It's kind of like
button.
4 buttons.
Anyway, and as you will see, it already opens up an open bracket. Then you want to add in your angle, which in this case is 32, and then you want to close the bracket, and then you want to press the times sign, and then you want to times all of that by the adjacent, which in this case is 6 centimeters. Type that into your calculator and press equals. It may give you some variations. If it gives you it in a fraction or a percentage,
Or square rooty stuff.
ignore them, change calculator. Casio's cool.
On the Casio, you have this SD button. There'll be other variations of different calculators. You just press that, and it gives you your answer. And our answer here is
3.74.
we're around to 3.7. That would be in centimeters.
Here we have it, our opposite. So, if you would like to put that there, Ryan.
So just to recap, this is our equation. Tangent times your unknown angle, or the given angle, in this case because we actually have this angle, is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent, and you can rearrange this to get opposite equals tangent times adjacent, or adjacent equals opposite divided by the tangent, and just, if people aren't very great with rearranging the equation, on the board.
You may want to pay attention to this bit, as this bit may get complicated.
I don't think it will very complicated.
Probably not. But it's tangents, isn't it? Next one.
Is it? No? That's new gonna do this. You need to find the. We do that on the next episode. So in our next episode, we will explain the inverse tan, which is very exciting and it's more complex.
Ah, yeah.
Complex maths is the most fun.
Definitely. See you next week in Fun with Maths.
I have been Ryan Clifton.
And I have been Miles Thompson. Have a great mathematic time.